Okay, we are going to show you how to mount this thing. Best way to do it, start out and kind of pull your strap so it's nice and wide and open. Start with the bottom part. You're gonna set right up under there, and it's gonna take a fair amount of force to kind of pop it in. Next, on the bottom part of this, we have these little wings on both sides. The complaint we've had so far with people is that they're setting this behind the buckle here, and then they say it doesn't fit. So the problem lies is we can't set it behind there because we don't want it next to your body. So if you look behind the buckle, there's a strap there, and right in between here is where you want to set that wing, right there. And if you can see that, right in there. And then this will rotate down and will set perfectly up underneath there. Hold it right here while you're working. If you do this on the bench, you just hold it right here. And then this side's the same way. Has a strap right there. So just slide that in the same spot. You have to kind of coordinate a little bit. Slide it right in, and the buckle will lock. This is just meant to keep this from like falling back. It's not going to go anywhere because it's crammed between the strap and the buckle and your body. So there's no way this can flop out. It's just kind of holding it in place. Lastly, the second one, we made this a little bit smaller so it's a little easier to pop in and out. So if you want to pop your pack off while you're resting or whatever, you can do it that easily. So just set that in there and it just simply pops in like so. Camera mount. Just slide your GoPro right in the 3 prongs here. We also have the standard bayonet mount that takes the standard GoPro bayonet. The best way to hang your camera on this thing is hang it upside down and have the camera down here, and that way you can flip it up and it rides a little lower. That way it's not super close to your chin. These WSB packs do ride a little high, so you definitely want it upside down. If you set it up here, it's going to be right at your chin, so may or may not be comfortable. If you look underneath here again, it's like this thing does not touch your body. It's between the pads and the pack, so if it's uncomfortable, you might have it in the wrong spot. Basically, when you have this thing on, you don't even feel it's on there. Hope this helps. Thanks.